I have had these bags for like 5 months now, and I have worn them. Like, when I say I've worn bags, oh no, I have worn these bags carelessly, and I thought it's just about time. I usually would want to wait for like a year or maybe 7 months minimum before I do a review. So I think it's just about time for me to let you know wear and tear, also to, you know, give you my opinion, let you know what I think overall. I'll also be doing what fits, because I realized that in the video when I did the unboxing, I didn't do like real what fits into each bag. I just kind of like did a demo with my phone, I believe. So I want to do like in details with the normal day-to-day things that I carry. I want to do like what fits into each of these bags. So this video will mostly be helpful to people that does not have one yet, because I know this is a common bag. It's a popular bag. Like, it became really popular in 2020/2021, and from that time till now I have seen a lot of this bag on different people. Or if you want to see me, like if you want to see like pictures of me wearing them, feel free to check out my Instagram page. My Instagram handle is bukolaariz. I'll put it at the bottom of the screen for you. All right, before we get started, thank you so much for clicking this video. If you are new here, my name is Buki. I make videos about luxury handbags, about fashion, beauty, lifestyle. I also vlog sometimes. If any of this content is something that you think you would enjoy, feel free to hit the subscribe button below to join this family. We do have a lot of fun around here. We interact a lot and we love it here. Also guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell below by the subscribe button so that you'll be alerted each time when I post a new video here for you on YouTube. My subscribers, like you don't think I'll forget you guys, right? Like, it's impossible. Thank you so much guys for staying with me, for rocking this boat with me. I do appreciate you a lot. Thank you for your continuous support. Thank you for, you know, keeping me up. Like, without you guys, I'll be talking to myself and it's not gonna make any sense, right? Yeah, so thank you so much to my subscribers. Thank you so much guys for staying with me. So without dragging this part of this video for too long, let's just, you know, get right into the video. Because the only difference between these two bags is just the size. You know, this one is the Le Grand Chiquito and this one is the Le Chiquito Moyen. So like, again, the Le Grand Chiquito and this is the Le Chiquito Moyen. This is like of this particular style. I know that Jacquemus has, you know, released like more styles since this one. Of this particular style, this is the largest size, and that's why they call it the Le Grand. Grand means large. So this is like the largest style. The size that is between this one and this one has a different handle. However, the one that for the ones in this handle, there is this size, there is this one, and I believe there is like additional 2 sizes after this one. All right, so speaking of how these bags have held up, I would say they have held up really well. You know, I mentioned earlier that I've worn these bags carelessly. Trust me, I have worn them carelessly. You know, they have held up really well. I am impressed by the quality of the bag. You know, that's number one. Number two, I have been able to wear them a lot. Like, contrary to my initial opinion that because of the shape of the bag I might be limited in how I wear them, that's not true. I have worn these bags, you know, casually. I have dressed up with the bag. I have worn them for cocktail events. You know, I've worn them a lot. You know, all I have to do is just switch between sizes depending on where I am going to, depending on how I am dressed. So in a nutshell, you have to just analyze your lifestyle to decide on the size you want to pick. But if you're able to, I would say you can go ahead and pick 2 sizes. The reason why I picked these 2 sizes and the reason why I picked these 2 colors, I already explained in my unboxing video, so I don't want to bore you guys with that details here in this video. So long story short, I have been able to wear this bag a lot. So in a nutshell, I am getting a good cost per wear for my money on these bags. So I am impressed by that. The body, the structure, everything has held up really well. You know, I have traveled with these bags. I have, you know, packed them up in places, in things, and you know, they still come back and keep standing, you know, which is impressive, you know, for the price point. So they're kind of like competing with the bags in like the 2K range, in my opinion. So yeah, they have held up really well, and I've worn them a lot and they haven't disappointed me at all. So will I recommend this bag? Yes, I will definitely recommend this bag. Bringing this close to you can see the hardware on this one. Everything is looking as good as new, and on the inside everything is just, you know, as good as new. That's the strap inside. I'm gonna be going into it like in a bit. Remember the other day when I was talking about the bag folding up? You know, I've opened this this bag, I have closed it like multiple times, and eventually everything comes back to normal. Like it doesn't have any wrinkle or anything at the top. The leather still feels really good. So trust me when I say these bags were well made. The only thing for me is on this particular one, just this one only, I noticed that I started to see like this, I noticed that the hardware of the strap of this one started to get rusty. So if you see the metal started to get rusty. So bringing it close to you, see, I don't know if you can see clearly. So the metal started to get tarnished for some reason. I don't know why. Camera, please focus. I don't know why. When an iron starts to show the sign of rust, it's usually because of oxygen or water. So maybe I got water, maybe it was raining on a particular day when I wore it, you know, for some reason those dark spots on the iron. I don't know how I'm supposed to live with this. I mean, the iron is not peeling or anything, not like the gold of the iron is peeling, but then the tarnishes are getting like more and more for some reason that I don't understand. It looks nasty to me. Like if I focus on the spots on the iron, it's nasty to me. I don't like it, but if I ignore it, I think it's fine. I mean, the leather on the strap is still as good as new. Everything else is holding up really well. The Jacquemus name printed right here is still like, you know, holding up perfectly well as well. Like there is no tarnish on that one. The only issue is, you know, the gold part of the strap. On the inside, everything looks perfect as well. Right now I have the dust bag inside of it and everything looks perfect. Like there is no issue with this bag. I don't have any issues with it. Everything is good. I mean, everything is perfect in my opinion. You know, I wasn't expecting it to hold up this much, but it has held up a lot. So I'm super happy that I made the decision to buy these bags. And am I gonna get more? And the answer is yes, because there are some styles they have some new styles that I'm beginning to hide. I probably would be getting that like maybe much later. I don't really have need for any of them. I'll continue to wear them. I love them a lot. They will continue to stay in my collection because they are good bags. Like, yeah, they are really good. If you are considering getting one, then this is your sign. So now let's go into what fits into each style. I'm gonna be starting with the I'm gonna be starting with the Legrand, just to show you what fits into the Legrand. Also, like I said, I've worn this bag. If you want to see how it looks like on me, follow me on Instagram and see my pictures, or you can see my unboxing video. I think I did some mod shots in that video as well. So yeah, I don't need to attach the strap to show you what fits. This is what the strap is. Nothing has changed. So opening it up, I'm just gonna remove the the dust bag out. So now on my side, I have things that I typically take out with me on a daily, so I will be trying to fit them in here and let you know and show you, you know, if they fit or not. So yeah, starting with my wallet. I always have my wallet because this is where my cards are, and this is my Louis Vuitton Clement wallet. So look at what the size is right now. Depending, just look at what your wallet size is and compare it to this one, just for you to know if it's gonna fit or not. So I'm just gonna slide it in and let's see if it's gonna fit. I haven't tried before this video, but let's see. Yeah, my wallet fits inside, but the width of my wallet is exactly the width of this bag, which has taken away the shape. You can see it has kind of stretched out this side of the bag. So you see this side is stretched out, which is not supposed to be so. There is supposed to be some, you know, curve at this part of the bag. So I 100% would not put my wallet in here. So maybe what I would do is I'll just take my cards, like my bank cards, my driver's license, and I'll put it at the back, at the slot right there, at the card slot right there. I'll just put my cards there. So now I'm gonna get rid of my wallet. My wallet won't fit. All right, now that I see that my wallet doesn't fit, I'm just gonna go in and put the things that I usually have in my bags on a regular basis. Like when I'm going out, the things that I go with me, I usually have to have like extra compact powder here for touch up. That goes right in, and of course whatever lipstick I'm wearing on that day, I drop it in case I need to retouch my lipstick. I do always have a hand lotion. I typically stick with this size of hand lotion so that I can be able to wear it in smaller bags as well. I also I also like to have a lip gloss. Like sometimes I'm tired of my lipstick and I just want to switch it up to a lip gloss. I put that in. Also, I mean, with the time and age that we have right now, I always love to have hand sanitizer with me. I put that in. So this is my phone, and I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and it also goes right in. So this is my mask, and I think we are at the brim, guys. So just with those things that I have, I think we are at the brim. So let me show you what it looks like on the inside. On the inside, we have all those things that I've dropped in. I still have some room, and the room that I have left will mostly be for me to be able to get access to those things, if it makes any sense, because it can probably fit a lot more, but it doesn't make sense if I have my kitchen sink and everything in here and I have to kind of like take them out before I can get access to the other things in my bag. Like, it makes no sense. So in capacity wise, I think this is like the maximum this bag can take. So in a nutshell, in this bag you are able to fit your phone, your cards, your little essential needs in here in small sizes. You are able to do that. Just, yeah, so shows that this bag actually carries quite enough, in my opinion. Not bad compared to some other mini bags. I have seen other mini bags that are more expensive than this one, and they can carry little to nothing. So long story short, you are able to carry your everyday essential in this bag. So now we're gonna switch to the smaller sized bag. All right, so this one, again, this one is smaller than the Le Grand. This is the Chiquito Moyen. Inside right now I do have the strap, and the strap doesn't have that tarnish situation that is going on with the other one. Like I said, I believe that was due to maybe rain or oxygen or whatever. So yeah, I'm just gonna set that aside. This is what the inside looks like so. Let's start with the thing that I know that we all carry around, our phones. Again, I do have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let me see if it's gonna fit into it, and the answer is no. Like, it cannot even go through. So in a nutshell, when I'm wearing this bag, I usually put my phone in my hand. So that's just one thing about this size of bag. It's a mini bag, so you expect that, right? I mean, we obviously can see that it might not take a lot. All right, then I'm just gonna keep my phone in my hand. So on to the other little essential stuff. I'm just gonna drop in my compact powder, goes right in. My hand sanitizer goes right in, and I'm kind of like getting to the maximum capacity already. My hand lotion, like, these are the things that I always have to have with me, like my hand lotion, my hand sanitizer. My cards are already at the back. My cards doesn't take so much space anyways, so it's okay. Like, it doesn't matter how many cards you have. So long story short, I'm gonna put my mask. This is like really important. I need to have this, so I'm just gonna fold it and put it in, and looks like I'm stuffing the bag up already. So this time I'm not gonna carry a lip gloss, but I still do want to have a lipstick. I'm just gonna try to put in my lipstick inside, and it fits in. And to me, this is like a maximum capacity, in my opinion. Like, it's already filled to the brim. If I try to fit more stuff in it, it's gonna lose its shape. I'm already trying to cover it with force. Like, it's already full. You can see it has actually lost its shape. So this makes no sense. Let me try to get some things out. So if I have to make do with something that I might not need, I think that would be my hand sanitizer, because these days you find hand sanitizers in most places you go, and you can also control yourself to, you know, to touch less things than normal. So yeah, but I do always need my hand lotion. My hands get ashy quickly. I need something to touch my powder in case my face gets oily, and I also need like my lipstick touch in case I'm gonna be eating and I need to like touch my lips again afterwards. And now I think it's fine without the hand sanitizer. I think it's fine now. It closed like more easily, and the shape is still there. So yeah, that is actually the capacity of this bag overall. Like, this is just how much it can take, just those few items, which are my card, my mask, my hand lotion, my powder to touch my face, and my extra lipstick. That's like the maximum capacity of this bag. So that's actually all that you'll be able to fit into this bag. I just thought I should come here to show you guys in case this information might be useful to you. If you have watched up until this point, thank you so much. And if you have any questions or comments about these bags or about any other thing you would like to see, feel free to drop them for me in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer you. Thank you so much guys for watching. Till we see again, I hope you remain blessed, and I wish you peace.